It's a question that has puzzled humanity for centuries. What do ancient pharaohs, Spanish conquistadors, and maybe even your own grandparents have in common? An obsession with a heavy, shiny yellow metal, gold. For most of history, gold was a symbol of wealth. Today, it's making headlines because its price is on a relentless climb, breaking record after record. This leaves everyone asking two simple questions. Why is this happening? And how high can it go? The answer is simple. Gold thrives on uncertainty. Right now, the world is full of it. With economic instability, global conflicts, and persistent inflation, people feel that their money is losing its value. And when people get nervous, they don't run to complex investments. They run to history. They run to gold. But this time, it's not just you and me. The biggest players are making the same move. Central banks in countries like China and India are on the largest gold buying spree in modern history. They too are looking for a financial safe house, and that is a major sign they see turbulence ahead. Now, this frantic rush feels new, but it's an old story. The current market is rhyming disturbingly well with the 1970s. Back in 1971, the US dollar was officially disconnected from gold. Money was now just paper, based only on faith. What followed was a decade of soaring inflation and fear. And gold? It went on one of the most legendary runs of all time, exploding from $35 an ounce to a peak of over $850 by 1980. It seemed like the ultimate one-way bet. But one-way bets always run into a wall. To fight inflation, the US Federal Reserve raised interest rates dramatically. Suddenly, earning interest on cash was attractive again. Faith in the dollar was restored, and the gold bubble popped. The price crashed, and it didn't recover for 20 years. So, what does that history tell us about the future? The bulls, the optimists, will say that this time is different. They'll point to massive government debts and relentless central bank buying as fuel for prices to go much higher. But the bears will point to history. They'll remind you that if stability returns and inflation is defeated, the reason to hold gold could vanish overnight. Money would rush out of gold just as quickly as it rushed in. Ultimately, the future price of gold won't be decided by a spreadsheet. It will be decided by a timeless human emotion: fear. Gold's price is simply a barometer of how much fear there is in the world. And as long as that fear remains, gold will continue to shine. But as history proves, the fall can be just as dramatic as the rise.